if I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me? What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna be getting ready for the football game. First we're gonna do makeup, and before that I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought. This is 8 queens and it was like $86. First I just bought this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I bought this Milani Make It Last setting spray, this BU caffeine face mask, which this works so good, you guys. I recommend you get this. Then I got this NYX jumbo eye pencil so I can use it for my under eye. Next I got this Morphe 2 concealer. This is in the shade Peak of Pearl. I got this L'Oreal True Match foundation. This is in the shade Warm 4. And I got this Maybelline Instant Eraser concealer, but I'm gonna use it as my contour. And then lastly I just bought another eyelash glue, which I was doing self-checkout, so I still have this, and it was like beeping when I was leaving the store, but the lady said like it was not a big deal. And I just like bought all of these products, so I'm kind of testing them out too, because I'm not a big makeup girl, so I didn't really like know what to get. I just watched a lot of videos. First I'm just gonna use my micellar and clean off my face. I used the pink bottle. I tried the blue one. It was just way too oily for me. I did not like it. Right now it's like 3, almost 4, and my friend and I are gonna go to the game at 6. Also, like, look at my lashes. They are so full compared to what I usually wear. It was kind of an oopsies because this morning I did like my lashes one way and I didn't like how they turned out, so instead of taking them off I literally just like put another layer on. So I've never used this L'Oreal, but my friend recommended it to me. Before I used this little maquillage and it was like so thick, I just didn't like it, so she said like this one has like a more sheer feeling, so hopefully it'll be better. Okay, so I just went in with this face moisturizer. I'm just gonna come in with this Tattoo Studio eyebrow thing because I feel like my eyebrows feel a little light. I tint my eyebrows like in the weekend, so like throughout the week it kind of like fades out, and right now it's Friday, so like mainly all gone.
Represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see.
I take this and then a Q-tip, and then I just like kind of do this to remove the extra.
See us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.
And that's all I really do for my eyebrows. I didn't know what kind of primer to get, but I've seen a lot of people use this primer, and my sister uses this, so I feel like it'll be good. I have this much. It kind of feels like putting glue on my face. Okay, next I'm gonna go in this L'Oreal True Match. I'm just gonna put it on my fingers and do this all over my face. Looks like a mess, but trust me. And now I'm just gonna go in with this brush and kind of just dab it all in my skin. It looks so creepy. Maybe I should have gotten a darker shade. Go in this beauty blender. This is definitely not my shade. Now that I look really white. Okay, I know it looks a little weird right now, but just trust the process. I am a little bit like darker because it's like freshly out of winter time. Of course this foundation shade is gonna look kind of light on me, but it is like my shade. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit more. I watched like 2 for 3 tutorials. I'm just doing kind of like what I saw. I don't know how to get this lighting to look right. Like, it doesn't really look like this in real life, but I don't know. I don't have the best lighting in here. This is the color I used to use, and this is the color I'm using right now. I'm gonna come in with this Morphe concealer. I have like bad eye bag, so we're doing this.
I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side.
So when I got this, I had no clue like what kind of color you're supposed to get for a contour. I just knew it was supposed to be like a little bit lighter than your color. I don't like this at all. I feel like instead of covering my eye bags, it made it worse. Focus is on it now. That's really light. No, I watched one tutorial, now I know what I'm doing, and now I look like this. I am gonna go in with Instant Eraser from Maybelline. This is 148, shade 148. I don't know how to get it started. You gotta just like squeeze it or something. Oh, that's interesting. Let's look at the directions. Yeah, no clue what I'm doing, y'all. Okay, it says just keep turning it. Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Oh my gosh. And then I'm just gonna do this on my forehead just because the makeup was really like there. Down here too. And a little bit on my nose. So this is like a really bad idea to try this out before I have a game to go to, but it's all in the fun of it. Y'all, I might just wash my face off because this is getting embarrassing. I shouldn't have put so much of something I didn't know how to use. That's my fault. But I actually kind of like this right here. It's starting to actually look like my color compared to this white color down here. Okay, I'm trusting the process, but I'm starting to lose trust in the process. That concealer was definitely super light, so I'm gonna try to fix it by using the darker concealer. I feel like my forehead is fine. Like, my forehead looks like the right color. The rest of my face needs a little bit of fixing. Some right here, and then right here. Use this and kind of just like fix it. Especially my nose part right here, because I don't know what the heck I was trying. And yeah, fix this right here because it is so dark. Looks like I got a mustache line. I think I definitely will never use this Morphe thing again. This is not this, like. I mean, this isn't like my first time trying like makeup, but like this is my first time trying like contouring and bronzing, and I don't think it was me. I'm pretty sure it was like the shades just weren't right. Now I'm gonna go in with this Milani setting spray. This is supposed to be a natural finish. There's like a dewy one and I think a matte one. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with this like drugstore blush that I bought. This one is very pigmented, so I'm just gonna like really, I keep looking at this camera and not the mirror. Tapping. So I'm gonna go in with this baking powder.
This ring here represents my heart and everything.
I got this one and I got it jumbo, so hopefully it won't snap on me. Okay, let's see how.
You've been waiting for.
The jumbo is a little bit hard to use. And this like eyeline pencil is like going on my waterline so much easier than the one before. Theme of the football game is blackout. I'm not a big lip person, so I'm just gonna use this hard candy lip stain-ish. This is in the shade My Type. I had a clear lip gloss that was like also a plump, but you guys, I dropped in the car and I couldn't find it ever since.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the.
Okay, now I'm just gonna go back in with the setting spray. Okay, so that is it for my makeup. Now I have to figure out what to do with my hair. I think I might actually just keep my hair down because I'm actually kind of feeling this like this look.
Side by side, you could be my baby. Let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta.
Okay, so it was a good game. We won, but now it's time to take this off. Halftime, I have put it on.
Doing nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't.
Oh my gosh.
Another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my
This is so much makeup.
love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my
I
love.
feel like I'm underestimating how much makeup I put on. I did put a lot of layers.
Woman that can take your spot, my love.
Look how much I'm removing just from taking off these eyebrows. I already see myself breaking out. This is the aftermath. So this is definitely going in the laundry. I'm gonna go in with my Q-tip and my micellar, which I need to go buy a new bottle. Now that I got like a majority of my makeup off, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my face. What I use to wash my face is Cetaphil. So I think that's gonna be it for today's video. I'm just gonna continue on doing my skincare and then I'm gonna just get ready for bed. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna really try to be more active.